Good day, it's 27th of April. I'm doing Dordle, Quardle and Octordle, so I'll just jump straight into them. We're going to start with track, and then we'll go with shove and guild. That gives us a good, that should give us a good start in this. So it's going to be STA, so it could be stand, and that could be TROU and E. So that's going to be root. And this, I think, is going to be stand. And that's that one. Onto the Quardle. We're going to start off with the same letters again. We can have track. Did I say it was shove and guild? Shove, guild. And we've got S-U-I-G. S-U-I-G-E. Suing. Do we spell suing like that? Yes, we do. That's an S and O. That hasn't given me much. S-R-I-N-E. Rinse. Or resin. R-I-N-S. It can't be rinse, because E is not in the last place, so resin. Risen. And I've wasted a go over there. That's R-A-I something or other. And that still needs a few letters here. The other word I normally would use to add more letters in is nymph, because I've used all the vowels. Now all that's given me is a P, S-P-O. So sloop, no, there's an L gone. I'm going to go for swoop on that one. And this one I got R-A and I. R-A and I. And the I is the last, isn't the I is the last letter. How do you spell rabbi? Is it double B? Rabbi? Right, yeah, is that a winner? Yes, it is. Straight on to the Octordle. Same words to start. Guild, track, and shove. And we've got, right, so H-U-C-T. Now let's put nymph in as well. Right. And that ends U something CH. Hutch. Hutch. Butch. It's going to be Hutch or Butch or something. Something G something I with alright, so that's glint. We'll come back to the first word. We got T-O-K-E-N, token. Actually spelled that one out then, token. And we got L-V-E-R. It's L, lever. Oh, it could be revel. Revel? Lever or revel? Revel. Kind of hoping I'm not going to run out of guesses now. G-L-A, a letter we haven't used. That's going to be a Z in it. Glaze. Oh, what did I just type in then? Alright, glaze, yeah. And then we got that's adopt. A-D-O-P-T. I'm taking you following what I'm doing here. There's an A and a D and an O, P and T, adopt. and with this one, it was a G, L, A and an E, and would have to be a letter we haven't used when it was a Z. The only other ones we haven't used are like F, G, B. This one, as you can see, is S, L, O, P and E, slope. And this one is an A, an M, an I. Right, a miss. We had a miss we had a miss earlier in the Wordle, didn't we? Or was it in the Quardle we had a miss in? We're doing something, so we got one word left, and it's going to be either butch, or hutch. Can't be much. It's not spelled like that, is it? Butch. And go for butch. Correct. Did it on the last go. There you go. Oh, you're not quite seeing the bottom of the screen, unfortunately, but yeah, it was all correct. All 8 words done. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. See you tomorrow. Bye.